Sometimes we need to produce paper-based evidence of work we've completed at the computer. To do this, I'm going to use Scratch and PowerPoint and show you a test run on paper from here. So to start off with, you'll see we've got Scratch loaded. On the keyboard, you will find at the top right hand corner a key that says Print Screen. If you press this once, it will transfer the entire copy of the screen in front of you into the computer's clipboard, and then what we can do is paste that into PowerPoint. So we're going to create a new blank presentation. I went for just a simple white background because I'm going to print this out and I don't need all the extra bits, and we're just going to put in test run, and in this one here I'm just going to paste it in. That's great, but it's taking up far too much of the screen, so what we have to do is we have to crop that. When we press the crop button, sorry, we're in Picture Tools format, we press the crop button, we can then drag and drag. So this is all we're after, just a picture of the script. We then click off, that then allows us to put that where we want it. So this program adds two numbers together, so this script. Now, some of you who are maybe better used to Scratch will be thinking, oh, we could just save the script and import it, and you could do that, but that won't let you get a test run. Once it's in place, we can simply increase the size to get where we want it to, and drag it so it's in the centre. Looks nice, but that grey border's horrible. So again, if I double click on it, we're in Picture Tools format. We can then go remove background, and all I'm going to do is resize this out like this and like this, and I can see what I'm looking for. Keep changes, background's gone. There we go, looks a bit prettier, and we just take a new slide. We then run the program. What is the first number? The first number being entered is going to be 12. I then print screen. I go back to my presentation. I paste. Again, I'm cropping, but this time I'm interested not in the script, I'm actually interested in the stage. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to crop down to the stage. Okay. Again, click off the side, put in what we're talking about. Okay, and again we can increase that in size. Because of the white stage, I don't feel a need to remove the background. Okay, and we're just going to do that for each one in turn now. So press return. What is this first? What is the second number? It's 12. What's the second number? Is 13. And print screen. Presentation. Crop it. Click off it, drag it, resize it, heading. The next bit might not work on the screen because I'm only recording at 2 frames per second, but it's going to display the answer and I'm going to press print screen. Okay, so that's me captured the print screen, so onto here. Again, crop it, resize it, click off it, drag it out, okay, and it displays the correct answer. And if I do a slideshow, you can see here's the test run. So there's the program script. We enter the first number, entering the second number, displaying the correct answer. And finally, all we have to do is file print, and we can spool that out the printer. And at that point you can choose 1 page per slide. Now some of you will be sitting thinking, well, that's widescreen. How can we maybe change that so that it fits in an A4 bit of paper? Okay, so to do that we're going to go to Design, Slide Size, and we can now customize it. It's a simple matter of selecting A4, hit OK, and Sure Fit. So now when we print that out, we just check and make sure it's all looking nice. When we print that out, that's how our A4 bits of paper are going to look. And that's the end of the video on how to produce a test run.